everybody, and welcome. Today's video is one that you request every single month, and this is where we put our Boxycharm, luckily this is not a professional channel, our Boxycharm base boxes up against each other. This is my Boxycharm PR box, this is my Boxycharm paid for base box, and they are for May 2021. We are going head to head. Which one came out on top? I always have a lot of requests for this video because some people do feel like sometimes when you receive it in PR, it is better than your paid for box. We're here to talk about it. Keep in mind, when it comes to the PR box, we do not get to choose the one customized item in here like you do when you pay for your box. So it's like you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So we are putting them head to head. We'll talk a little bit about how much these boxes cost. Are they monthly? All of that stuff later in the video. But if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, unbox makeup, talk about spoilers, play in makeup, which, by the way, I did create this eye look and film it. Wait, I did film the eye look I created. I did not drink my coffee today. So maybe that's it? I don't know. Anyways, friends, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a little bit of information about the base boxes. They are $25 a month plus tax, free shipping, and you do get to customize one of the items in the box. Now let's go ahead and start off with my paid for box. If you did watch the dedicated video, this won't be new to you, so you already know my thoughts and opinions and feelings and all of that. So jumping right into the box, there is a card every single month, and they do theme their cards. This is Boxycharm Flourish, and on the other side it does give you all the information of everything in the box, retail value, all of that. So the first item in here we're going to talk about is by Mcgrath. This is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Now this was the customization item or choice item. I did choose it, $74 retail value, only because when I was reading a little bit of information on this, it does talk about helping and protecting and, you know, strengthening the skin barrier, which really sold me because y'all know your girl loves exfoliation. I love to do anti-aging products such as like retinols, glycolic acids, all of that. So it's super important to keep your skin barrier as tip-top shape as possible so you don't damage it. So little information, this is going to detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. It's a daily dose of pollution and blue light from, this is always messes with me when I'm reading this. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. So y'all know I love skincare. I want to age with grace, and that's one thing that I do like is, like, you know, we're getting opportunities to choose high-end good products. I have tried a lot of Mcgrath products in the past and I absolutely love them. So this is going to it is a breakthrough formula that contains a try it again, girl. This is a breakthrough formula, like it's a tongue twister or something, that contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin barrier while you sleep. So that was like huge for me. The next item that I did receive in here is my daily dose of Uplift. This is by Skin Inc. I have never tried this brand out before, and I did mention in my unboxings that I was kind of shocked to see so many boxes in my box. Normally I feel like to save on shipping or space or whatever it is, they normally come like boxless. So this also came with the box. This is a cocktail of collagen, Q10, hyaluronic acid, encapsulated serums from Japan. And y'all know I absolutely fell in love, because I am a packaged nut and aesthetic person, that I love the fact it was pink because that's my favorite color, but it has a cute little beads in there. I don't know if my camera picks it up, but I just thought it was so cute. I haven't opened it up yet because I have an ungodly amount of skincare open right now that I'm testing out, trying out, and everything. So this will definitely be in future videos, empties or something, where I will discuss those with y'all. Now, a little information about this. This does have a retail value of $65. It's a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, Q10, hyaluronic acid, and it does deliver anti-aging power punch. Really sorry, I don't know why it's beeping outside. So it has a lot of really nice ingredients in here. It does say it's pure, proven, and potent, seaweed encapsulated. So I'm definitely excited to try it out. You just need 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. So anywho, the next item in here, y'all know that I was like, really? And it was tweezers. It's a set of tweezers, and I think I didn't do a really good job explaining, but I don't personally need tweezers, and I feel like maybe this is something that is geared towards picking, choosing, or putting in add-ons or pop-up or something. I don't know, but it is a 2-piece tweezer set by Mcgrath, and it does have a retail value of $18. Now, when I think back to when I first started, you know, purchasing subscription boxes, I did not have a ton of makeup, and that's how I grew my collection. So when I think of it like that, like if I was just getting into subscription boxes for the first time, obviously I'm doing it with the intent of growing my collection. So it's like one of those give or takes, you know, like I don't know how to explain it, but I know what I mean in my head. I just can't get it out my mouth. Okay, so the next item in here is one that just, it got me to do a whole dedicated video for it because I fell in love with it so much. This is a Ciate London Shadow Flip. It does actually say on here that it is a liquid shadow, which it's in small print, so I'm going to say that is why I didn't put that together. But in my head, I kept getting stuck on Glitter Flip Lipstick by Ciate London, where you had to really push it out to get that glitter. So this does have a retail value of $20, and if I, again, comprehend, liquid eyeshadow, has a shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into the it's just a liquid eyeshadow, and it's like a duochrome, and it's flipping so cool. It is in the shade Ember, and it inspired me to finally, I have not for the longest time pulled out my Pat McGrath, I believe it was my bronze palette. I have not played around with that palette in so long, but as I was swatching this and shifting it, I was like, ooh, I want to play with that palette. So that is what is on my eyes today, is the Pat McGrath palette with this. I applied this down kind of as a base and then went over with some of the Pat McGrath shadows. I love this. Now, it does say shadow flip, and I keep calling it glitter stick flip, whatever. You should just not totally take me for everything I'm saying, because Mama's a scatterbrained mess. Okay, so there's that. Anywho, that was the next thing in my box. The next item was by Beekman 1802. I honestly don't know much about this brand. This is the Dewy Eyed Illuminating Serum. So I was super excited because it did come in this like little pouch, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's such like a bougie spa experience. And then I pulled it out and I'm like, and it's plastic. I really thought it was going to be in like a glass kind of component. I have not tried this out yet either, because right now I am finishing up my Clarins Instant Eye Lift, and oh my gosh, that stuff is amazing. But this is by Beekman 1802, and it says it does have a retail value of $42. Say goodbye to fatigue, awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum, a powerful blend of actives and goat milk, which quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating and revitalization. So I am intrigued to try it out. It's going to be one of those things that once I finish up my Clarins and I move on to another eye cream, there's going to be a lot of expectation there. So we shall see how this plays out. If y'all have tried it, let me know down below your thoughts on it. So that is everything in my paid for box. Let's go ahead and move over to our PR box side. So same thing, you are going to have a card in here. On the other side, it's going to be all the information and everything. Now, when I did receive this, I did do a try on of the first product in here. I did create a look with it as well. This is the CAB Cosmetics Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette or KAB Cosmetics. Now, this says, and by the way, they're going off of what they sell this for on their website, and it sells for $52 on their website. And it does say it's a palette that has a new formula. It's a sustainable packaging. On top of that, it says it has 18 highly pigmented shadows and create a both day to night look, blah, 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 blah. Anywho, so we no sooner get this, and all of a sudden, I saw that Kim Zolciak, anywho, the owner of the brand, was walking through Walmart, and she's like so excited to have our products in Walmart. Y'all, you can pick this up, even though the case is going to be in a white case, like type of cardboard packaging. You can get it for $20 at Walmart. So I was intrigued by it, and so that when a lot of y'all had been telling me like check it out, check it out, check it out, I did. I saw you're right. It is in fact on sale for $20 at Walmart. Now, I haven't checked recently, but as of a couple weeks ago, like when I was unboxing this, this was still showing $52 on the KAB website. So Boxycharm isn't in charge of the pricing whatsoever. That's just whatever the company sends it to them and says, hey, this is what we sell it for. And I'm like, wow, that's interesting, because on your website it's $52, but at Walmart it's $20. It makes me wonder, like, since you changed the packaging to over at Walmart it's white, is it not sustainable? Like, why is there such a $30 difference there? You know what I'm saying? Overall, as far as the color story went, I thought the color story was really pretty. I liked the mattes as far as, you know, they built up well, they blend out easily for me. Some of the shimmers were really pretty and vibrant, but then some of them kind of fell flat for me. So for me, I feel like if it was a $20 palette, I could get down with that, but I would never be okay with spending $52 on the palette. But again, I really do love the color story and thought it was pretty. Moving on to the next item in here is by Drybar. This is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist, and I am all about using heat protectants on my hair. Here lately I've been kind of lazy. I haven't done a flat iron. I haven't been curling my hair. I just blow dry it and that's it. So still, you need a heat protectant even if you're only blow drying your hair. This does have a retail value of $27, and it is a lightweight spray that protects your hair from heat, styling, curling, straightening, everything up to 450 degrees. I love seeing Drybar in a base box. I mean, $25 for the base box, and you're getting a $27 product. We see this at, I think it's Ulta, but I know it's at Sephora. I love Drybar. I love their products, and I really excited to see that in here. The next item was a choice item, and this was by Tarte, or is by Tarte. This is the Glow Wand. Now, I did get to choose my shade, but again, I did not get to choose the choice item in here. I did go with the shade All Light, and this is one of those products that I think is really pretty, but a little goes a very, very long way. I like these kind of glowy, dewy, brightening type of under eye products when I don't feel like wearing makeup, but I want to look somewhat put together, but I don't feel like going through the whole concealer type of dealio. So for me, I really like it. The sponge thing, I personally, honestly, y'all, I apply, like, when I show you all, when I put my concealer on, this is all I do. That's it. That's as far as it comes out, and I just take and dab a little bit on my finger and then push it underneath my eye. So I don't really, personally for me, need the little sponge on here, but I do like this for those days where I just kind of want to brighten up the under eye just a little bit. I kind of got crazy and got it into my T-zone where I have insanely large pores. Don't do that. It's crazy. This does have a retail value of $27, and it says it's just an instant eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brighteners, let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. And I would have to agree with it. It definitely does give you that brightening effect. Okay, so the next item in here is by First Aid Beauty, which I absolutely love First Aid Beauty. This is a Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. I have a ton of primers opened up right now, so again, this is getting put into backup. This does have a retail value of $30. It's formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping to blur the appearance of pores. I love, love, love First Aid Beauties. I actually have a mini one open that I think I had like from an Ipsy or something. So I already know I love it. So the last item in here is by Han Skincare Cosmetics. This is a multi-stick. It does have a retail value of $16. This is, again, something that I did do a try on in my dedicated video, and I actually really liked this. I have not tried it on my eyes just yet, but as far as a cream blush, as far as just like a little bit of a tinted lip balm, I really enjoy it. I felt it was very comfortable, easy to work with. As far as applying it to my cheeks, I just always go in with my Luxe 504 large angle brush and just dab it right onto here and then apply it like so, and it was really easy and I really liked it. So that brings us to the battle. Which box do I feel like this month is the winner? The past couple months, y'all, I feel like my paid for box has been the winner, but this month I'm giving it to my PR box. I absolutely love everything in my PR box. Even though this isn't my favorite eyeshadow palette, I really enjoy the mattes in here, and I can see myself going back and pulling those mattes quite often. So for me, it's gonna have to go ahead and be the PR box. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. What was your standout product? I will be coming back talking about choices, what I ended up picking. Wow, it was crazy. So anyways, friends, until next time, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I'm over on TikTok as well as on Instagram at HotMessMomma4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!